Alright, today I'm changing the cabin filter in a 04 Honda Pilot. To get the first thing you gotta do is to make sure your glove box is empty, and you gotta remove these two clips. There is push tab deals, you gotta squeeze together with the two tabs pulled out. This will drop all the way down. If you have this plastic piece here, I've already cut it from this side. You'll need to completely cut it out and remove it. If the filter's already been replaced, then you won't have this. Alright, with that out of the way, there is a Phillips screw and an 8mm bolt on each side, here and here. You need to remove that so you can take this little bar out. With those four gone, you have this 8mm bolt. You have to get to it from underneath it, along with this one, which holds the glove box on. You'll be able to get to both. This one pretty easy. This one will be a little tricky because of the trim. But both of those have to come out, so you can take this off. To get to this side, just to make it easier on myself, took off the trim right here, just pulled up on one end and then the other side. And then this piece had a push pin, which I popped out with a screwdriver, and then I was able to remove this. Now I should be able to get to this. Okay, with both of those removed, glove box comes right off, and then this bar swings out of the way, and cabin filter's right inside this deal. And there is thing there, and it just pulls out. And that's the bad one. Pretty plugged up. And I'm gonna clean out this area real fast and then put it all back together. Install is just reverse. Thank you.